Hey my beautiful people, so welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you guys this beautiful beginner friendly holiday glam look for the first day of Glamidays. And today we are going to use a new palette. It is the Morphe Coca-Cola 1971 palette. I bought this a couple of months ago but have not used it yet, so I'm excited about this. First we're going to use Commercial Break and Warm Fuzzies, and we're going to blend that together for our crease color. So I'm just going to dab that into my crease area and then start to blend out. It's just going to give you this nice, smooth, no lines look. So you got to make sure that you're blending it out. And if you hadn't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you can see more content like this coming up this month. Next, we're going to use Join Hands. So it's like a lighter tannish color. And I'm just using that once again to soften those lines around those browns and also bringing that tan down a little bit more to help transition those colors. We're also going to take and start to circle that around the sides. And then for this main color we're going to use is called Lovey Dovey. And I use my ring finger to pat it on, and that's because on the other side I used a brush and it kind of got everywhere. So I was like, let's try the finger, and the finger works great, y'all. It is less like all over the place and it looks so good. Like, y'all, I cannot tell y'all how amazing this palette is and how soft it feels. And I just can't wait to make more looks with this. Like, I'm just in love with this palette. It's not sponsored. I'm just telling y'all how much I love this palette. So I'm also going back just to blend it out a little bit more, making sure that it is not like bam bam bam. Y'all know, like when people don't blend well, like you can be like, there's the red, there's the orange, there's the green. Like, you want there to be, you want your colors to look different but not that much different. You don't want to know where they stop and begin because there's lines. So make sure you're blending well. And then I'm also using Perfect Harmony right there in the corner just to, bring in some more of that holiday shimmer. And then putting a little black liner in my waterline. I love this. I can't get away from this. I just love how it looks. And then I'm struggling with these lashes, y'all. I don't know how y'all do it. I don't know if it's because I wear glasses and my lashes are naturally short. But every time I put on lashes, especially these, they were so long and so big. They feel so heavy. Like, I barely could open my eyes. I don't know how y'all do it. I love how it makes my makeup look. It like makes the makeup look complete. But baby, I feel like I had something sitting on my eyelids, okay? But yeah, so now for the lip color, we're gonna go with a slightly darker red than the lipstick we're gonna use for our lip color, just slightly. And then once I have lined it with this red, I'm just gonna take my favorite brown. Y'all know I love brown, and I'm just gonna put it in the center, in the middle, because the red that I'm using can be a little harsh. I just want to darken up my line a little bit. But guys, I love it so much. Look at this makeup look. You guys, this is giving me Christmas all the way around. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? If you recreate this, please tag me in it. Please send me a picture. I can't wait to see this look. And I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2 of Glamidays. I'm so excited that y'all are here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. Oh, I almost forgot, but I did. Until next time, peace out. Much love, and I will see you guys next time.